I've been building out my portable ATEM streaming and recording system, and one of the components I'm using is Companion running on a Raspberry Pi. If you've worked with Raspberry Pis, you know you should never just pull the power. They should be shut down properly. But that's kind of difficult if you're running a headless Pi like I am, where you don't necessarily have a video monitor and a keyboard set up to be able to give a shutdown command. What I'm going to do is show you how you can shut down the Raspberry Pi running Companion through the Companion interface on your Stream Deck or your mobile. So the first thing we need to do is create a shutdown script. I'm here on my laptop, which is networked into the same network as the Raspberry Pi running Companion. So I'm going to SSH into the Companion machine. Okay, and you can see we are just in the Pi home directory and there's nothing there. So I'm going to use the nano editor and we're going to create shutdown.sh, and that'll be our shutdown script. So the first thing we have to do is give the script what's called a shebang. That's an oddly named command that tells the Raspberry Pi which interpreter to use to run the script. So that is a # exclamation and then /bin because it's in the binary directory, and then sh, which tells the computer this is a shell script. The next line, we start off with sudo. Some people say sudo, some say sudo, sudo. However you choose to say it, that command says run the next command as an administrator. So we make sure that we have the privileges that we need to do a shutdown. And that's the command we're going to give. Next, we're going to use what's called a flag. There are several different ways that you can shut down a machine. What we're going to do is put in the -H flag, which means halt. We want the Raspberry Pi to stop whatever it's doing and shut down. And then finally, we're going to say now, because if you don't specify now, shutdown will do a countdown until it's going to shut down the machine. So sudo shutdown -H now. Next, we hit Control X to exit. Yes, we want to save the modified file, and we want to write that as shutdown.sh. There's one more step that we need to do. We need to make this script executable. So now we're going to use a command called chmod or chmod. Again, however you choose to say it is fine. But chmod, which lets us change the permissions on the file. We're going to say +x, which means make this file executable. And I can just put an sh and hit tab and it will autocomplete. And we are done. That's all that we need to do on the Raspberry Pi itself. So we can exit out of there. We can go to Companion. This is the Companion interface running on the Raspberry Pi. And I would really recommend going to a blank page to put this command in. Once you hit this button, the Pi is going to shut down. There is no way to stop it. And once it's shut down, the only way to get it back is going to be to unplug the power and plug it back in. So definitely safest to put that on its own page. So we will create a regular button. Shut down. We'll adjust the size a little bit. Do something crazy here. All right. There we go. So we have shut down, and I am going to assign that background red so we know that it's dangerous. Under press actions, search for internal and run shell path local. So that's going to tell the companion, run the shell script that you have locally. And for the path, we're going to say /home/pi/shutdown.sh. So now I'm going to go back here. Shouldn't have logged out, but okay, now I'm logged back in to Companion, and you can see when I go over here, I have my shutdown button, and when I press the button, you'll see the Stream Deck will go black, and we'll also see me getting logged out in the laptop's terminal. There we are. Power has been shut off to the USB port, and you can see in the terminal window the connection to my Companion has been closed. The machine is shut down, and it's now safe to pack up and head out. I hope that was helpful, and look forward to giving you more instructional videos soon.